To maintain the social distancing is the every possible effort by the doctors and the police, just because they are the frontline warriors and have direct contact with the corona positive cases. But now the Chandigarh police have invented a tool through which they can maintain the social distance. We are standing outside the security wing of Chandigarh police that has prepared a tool that can maintain the social distancing. We would like to show you that tool, that how it works. You can see this is the tool just recently prepared by the Chandigarh police, and it is just a demo right now, not implemented in the market, but this is specially prepared for the COVID positive patients to capture them and to maintain the social distancing. We would also tell you how it works and how it captures a person. This is the way it would be implemented. You can see this is how he handles a patient and now able to walk him front. This is how they can maintain the social distancing and avoid the contact, just because doctors and cops are getting positive due to this, just because they are handling direct with the COVID positive cases. We would also like to know something more about this through this cop, just because he is handling this. किस चीज के लिए बनाया गया है? ये एक नया टूल तैयार किया है।
ये हमारे डीएसपी उमराव सिंह जी हैं, उनके दिशा निर्देश पर हमारे इंस्पेक्टर मंजी साहब और अपने हेड कांस्टेबल गुरदीप सिंह जी और अपने पवन कुमार जी हैं टेक्निकल स्टाफ से, उन्होंने मिलकर ये बनाया है कि कोरोना पेशेंट जब भी हमें या कोई मिल जाए मार्केट में या कैसे भी मिल जाए तो उसको बिना टच किए पकड़ने के लिए ये टूल बनाया गया है।
This is across right now in the fruit mandi, the vegetable mandi in Jammu, wherein the most vulnerable areas, the people across most vulnerable areas, they are being screened. And you can see, if my video journalist Sarjeevan could show you, that the people here, those workers, those shop owners, they are being screened by the authorities for COVID-19, the coronavirus. So you can see that the authorities, they have deployed this mobile sample collection van across the vegetable mandi here, where people, they are being tested. Right now we are joined by Dr. JP Singh, who is the Chief Medical Officer of Jammu District. So we will ask him about this initiative. Sir, this is the first of its kind initiative that has been started in Jammu District. So what details can you share with us, sir?
Yes, you have already told that this COVID-19 mobile sample collection van has been launched in District Jammu. This is by the support of our superiors, officers, government, and Mission Dr. NHM and Directorate of Health Services in Jammu District. We have started this from today. So we are targeting those populations which are just gathered here. This is a fruit mandi, a vegetable market is there, and this is a wholesale market. There are actually 3 or 4 groups here. Drivers are coming with lot of fruits and vegetables. Then there are laborers, and then there are retailers also and wholesalers also. So we have targets because they almost they sit together, they stay together. So that's why we have started from this place.
How many samples can be collected by this mobile van on a daily basis, sir?
Yes, there is no limit. We can collect as many as we like.
Right now we are present at a Delhi-Faridabad border, which has now been completely sealed, and the administration is keeping a tight vigil on each and every vehicle which is passing by from this area. Right now you can also see that there are Haryana police officials who are not only maintaining social distance but also writing down details of every vehicle which is passing by from this area. Moreover, the officials who are present here are asking people that once they cross the border, then they will not be allowed to enter in national capital, and this has been done yesterday after the kind of statements those were given by the Minister of Haryana government, Anil Vij, in which he had said that the number of cases which are now increasing in Haryana are because of the national capital, because cases are now coming from Delhi also. And right now we are also showing you the pictures where you can see that officials are asking people that if they cross a border once, then they will not be allowed again to pass by from this area. Moreover, what is more important here is that they are writing down the details of every vehicle which is passing by through this area, and there are senior police officials also who are present here at this spot. And because this border has been sealed, there's a massive traffic jam here at the borders of Delhi and Faridabad. Every vehicle which is coming here is being stopped. Reason of crossing the border is being asked by the officials here. There are senior officials who are deployed here, and they have been specifically asked that they will be asking the reason of crossing the border from each and every vehicle. We also have ACP traffic of Faridabad district, Mr. Abhimanyu. We'll try to understand from him as to what kind of actions and decisions have been taken by the police officials here. Sir, आप पूरा ये बॉर्डर एरिया सील एक कर दिया गया है, किस तरह की चीज़ों को आप क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, आप क्या क्या लोगों से आप प्रश्न पूछने जो यहाँ पर पहुँचे?
देखिए, जो एसेंशियल गुड्स हैं, जो एमएचए ऑफिशियल्स के द्वारा अगर कोई पास जारी किए गए हैं या जो हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज से रिलेटेड हैं, केवल उन्हीं को अलाउ किया जा रहा है। बाकी अगर कोई ऐसे हमारे पास पासेज आ रहे हैं, जो ऐसे हमारे पास रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है जिनके पास कोई पासेज नहीं है, उन सभी को ब्रीफ करके वापस भेजा जा रहा है।
क्या आपने कोई ऐसे देखा जो वायलेट करने की कोशिश भी कर रहे हैं कुछ?
ऐसा नहीं है, कई बार होता है कि माइनर इश्यूज आते हैं, लोगों को समझाने में थोड़ी दिक्कत आती है, बट सभी को आराम से ब्रीफ करके वापस भेजा जा रहा है। बट दीज आर माइनर इश्यूज, ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पूरे अच्छी तरह से
वो किया जा रहा है, वो बिल्कुल।
So that's what coming in from the police official here, where they are now telling us that every norm is being followed here, and this border area, Delhi-Faridabad border area, has now been sealed by the police officials here, and every vehicle which is passing through this border is being thoroughly checked. Right now we are present in Rangpuri Pahadi area of National Capital, where people are facing a problem of drinking water, and looking at that, they are standing in queues. You can see that they are standing in queues and they have been waiting for their turn to come. They have also maintained social distance. I would ask Surendra to show to our viewers that how they have maintained social distance, and they have put masks on their face, and they are waiting for their turn to come. And after filling water in their utensils, they go on the other side of the road, and then and then they again come back to refill their utensils. So people here are now facing a problem of drinking water, and the water timings have also been fixed here by the government from 6 to 8, and looking at the water timings, people are coming in large numbers, but there are some people also who are standing here who are asking people to maintain social distance. You can see the visuals coming in, and that's the water supply which comes here, and people come in large number, but due to the lockdown, only few people have been allowed at this place, so that social distancing is completely followed, and that's the norm which has been followed by the people here who are living in Rangpuri Pahadi area of National Capital. With Surendra Shah, I'm Piyush Shah for Republic TV.
Vegetable vendors have become a real tension for some, as plenty of rush occupy the vegetable vendors out there, be it Udaiganj, be it Mumbai. But for that, seeing all that chaos, Lucknow police has come up with a new model. It's the Mizoram model. I'm here in the Alambagh locality, and you can see that vegetable vendors are out here, but they have come up with a Mizoram model. Mizoram model is all about that there is a square gap between every vegetable vendor, as you can see, and there are two semicircles. As you can see, that person standing inside the semicircle. So these are the things, like police is making it compulsory to stand in the semicircles while purchasing vegetables, and apart from that, there is a gap of a square gap, so that there should be the social distancing maintained out here. So this is the basic agenda, to maintain the social distancing. So this is the Mizoram model, which is allowing the vegetable vendors to sell the vegetables, and at the same time the people to purchase vegetables in the time of lockdown. They are allowing that. With me is ACP Alambagh LP Singh, जो हमें इस बारे में ज़्यादा बताएंगे। सर, ये मिजोरम मॉडल क्या है, इसके बारे में बताइए।
इसके बारे में यह है कि क्रेता और विक्रेता दोनों को सुविधा हो और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का अक्षरशः पालन हो। इसके लिए हम लोगों ने क्या किया है कि एक विक्रेता से दूसरे विक्रेता के बीच की दूरी कर दी है 1 मीटर, और प्रयास ये किया है कि एक ही व्यक्ति आए, अगर सब्जी खरीदने के लिए एक व्यक्ति आए, और उसके वाहनों के लिए अलग हमने पार्किंग की व्यवस्था की है। अंदर आए, सब्जी को खरीदे और सकुशल अपने घर को चला जाए।
Right now I'm reporting from Madhu Vihar of National Capital, and let me give you the sense how Delhi police is on alert and the checking is being done at every point in the National Capital. Let me give you the sense that how the barricading has been done. First, let me tell you that how the checking is being done. This tempo was stopped by the Delhi police personnel, so they are checking each and every vehicle which is moving from this very point. This is Madhu Vihar in the National Capital, very much near to Anand Vihar. And let me give you a sense how the police is on alert, and the cars being stopped, every car being checked, passes being checked. So no unnecessary movement And let me also give you a sense on my right. I'll ask my video journalist to give you a sense from my right also. So this is a social worker team. When Delhi police are working day and night, when the corona warriors are working, the social workers are there on the street, and we are also giving you a sense how they are helping and sanitizing the barricades, how they are distributing the tea and biscuits to the police personnel. So this is called Nar Seva Narayan Seva. This is the team of 4 members only. This is not an NGO, this is not an organization, but this is Nar Seva Narayan Seva. And there we are understanding, we have just seen how the sanitization was done by this machine. They were sanitizing the barricades, and there we are seeing the team of the 4 people, and they are calling it Nar Seva Narayan Seva. So that is something what we are understanding. Look at the tea cups they are having, but a proper mask they are using. They are using gloves. They are distributing it to 53 points. Let me tell you, 53 checking points are there where the police are deployed. So they are every day, since from the morning till the late evening, they are traveling across the national capital and distributing this tea and doing the sanitization of the barricades and distributing biscuits and helping the corona warriors who are fighting for them on the roads. So this exactly the situation from Madhu Vihar, how the police is doing checking, how every car being stopped, and the social workers are helping the police personnel in the national capital.